Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Tendency. Today we're putting the ABORON Oversized XXL folding camping cot to the test. If you're searching for the best folding cot with mattress alternative that offers space and durability, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this popular option. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. First off, setup is incredibly fast. Under 10 seconds, this portable camping cot unfolds easily, perfect for quick trips. The Oversized XXL isn't a gimmick. At 78 long and 32 wide, this camping cot bed offers plenty of room. It's designed with a robust square steel frame, supporting up to 900 pounds, making it ideal as a best camping cot for heavy person use. This cot stands at a comfortable 18 inches high, making it easy to get in and out of. The included detachable soft pad adds extra comfort. Made with a durable double-layer 1200D Oxford fabric, this cot bed for camping is both strong and easy to clean. You can even remove the pad for better airflow in warmer weather. What do users think? Many praise its comfort and sturdiness, even for larger individuals. It's often compared to a regular bed in terms of comfort. The easy setup and folding are also major wins, making it a fantastic best outdoor bed option and convenient as a bed for your guests. The included carry bag enhances its portability as a best travel camp cots. Now for the cons. Some users found the width slightly narrower than expected. A few reported issues with plastic parts breaking during setup, raising concerns about long-term durability. And while the pad is a nice addition, some felt it was too thin and opted for extra padding. What makes the ABORON unique? Its generous size and high weight capacity stand out. The durable construction makes it a heavy-duty choice perfect for big and tall individuals and even seniors seeking a stable and comfortable sleeping solution. If you're looking for a top brand option on Amazon for comfortable sleep, especially if you are a side sleeper who needs extra room, this is definitely a contender as one of the best options on the market. In conclusion, the ABORON Oversized XXL folding camping cot is a comfortable and spacious option for outdoor adventures and hosting guests. While there are minor drawbacks, its sturdiness, ease of use, and large size make it a strong contender for the best folding cot with mattress and a valuable addition to your gear. Check the link in the description for more details. Have you tried this cot? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.